The clients, Chris and Maggie, they're in their mid-30s, they're young professionals. They have 3 children under the age of 5, 2 boys and a girl. When their family was expanding, they knew they needed a larger home. They found this beautiful 1950s bungalow in the neighborhood they wanted. However, the interior definitely was not what they were looking for. It was a little bit tired. They're a very stylish couple. Maggie, the wife, is very much into fashion. So that was sort of the vision for the home. They want the home to feel grand and stylish, but at the same time very comfortable because, again, they have 3 young kids, so this space needed to be both stylish and very functional for their young family. Maggie needed help in particular with the family room / living room. This is their primary living space. She was already working with a wonderful builder who we knew was going to raise the ceilings from the standard 8 feet to 14 feet in both the family room and the master bedroom. So that alone will already create that amazing grand feel. Believe it or not, the drapery was actually our starting off point. Pink or blush is Maggie's favorite color, so we thought, let's just go for it. We have multiple windows and the ceilings are extremely high, so we knew that the drapes would make a lot of impact. From there, we wanted to make sure that this room had a lot of comfortable seating. So we brought in this really luxurious oversized sectional that sits not only the 5 of them, but also when they have guests, they can very comfortably sit several guests here. This is where they also watch TV. So we brought in 2 oversized ottomans. They're very kid-friendly, there's no sharp corners. They're upholstered just like the sectional in stain-resistant fabrics. So you can spill all of them, wipe very easily, but the fabrics feel beautiful to the hand, so you would never know they're really stain-resistant. We have some interesting artwork we brought in, and sort of classic florals that have a bit of that Dutch painting to them. The chandelier, it's rose gold and crystal. The design is a little bit contemporary, so it brings in a bit of that fashionable edge. We have some traditional forms in furniture, like for example, this armchair they've inherited from their grandmother that was reupholstered. So a lot of kind of these elements that contribute to the old world feel of the space. She also wanted me to assist her with the design of the master bedroom. She wanted to also bring in that similar European, very stylish aesthetic. The bedroom as well has those beautiful high ceilings and apply mouldings, which allowed us to continue with this beautiful grand feel. However, the bedroom is a little more understated and a little more neutral in palette. We wanted to be sure that it's a very soothing space. So there are beautiful shagreen nightstands, a beautiful oversized dresser with some subtle brass detail. We styled the dresser again in that very Parisian way. We have a layered artwork in gilded frames. We have some beautiful accessories. So again, it's a serene space that's also very stylish, but a little more understated than the primary living space. So that was actually Maggie's idea. She really wanted to have a wall of continuous molding. Again, very high walls, so it really makes a lot of impact. And she hid the door to her walk-in closet behind the molding. So when the door is closed, it really gives you that very grand feeling. I'm so happy to say that now that Maggie and Chris and their beautiful family have lived here for a few months, they tell me they're very happy with the space. They feel it's both very comfortable for their family, but also very stylish, and they truly enjoyed living here.